about me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi and welcome to a new unboxing video of Made by Siem. Well, I can hear you think, that looks like an empty package. And it actually is. I just did my Dutch video and I got it all out of the bag and I tried to fit it back in and well, I failed. So therefore I decided not to try to put it all back into the bag. I'm just going to put the bag aside and I'm going to show you everything that I bought. First of all, and I'm pretty excited about this, this was on sale. It was on the daily deals yesterday, and that means the daily deals are just there for about 24 hours. After the 24 hours, the deal is gone and you pay the regular price again. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. I saw this color before and I thought I really wanted it. And when I saw it yesterday on sale, I thought, oh, this is my chance to get it. This is the Cakes Ombre. This is the Cakes Ombre. It is a cotton acrylic blend, 50-50 cotton, 50 acrylic. It has 150 grams per cake and 600 meters. I usually crochet this with a 3 to 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and it's a fine number 2 weight yarn. Beautiful, beautiful tones. I absolutely love this yarn. This yarn comes in a lot of different colors, so there must be something that you like as well. And every now and then they do have new colors as well, so be sure that you check them out every now and then to see what they have in their store. Fantastic yarn. So it comes in a pack of 2, so you have 1200 meters to work with. And 1200 meters is absolutely enough for a beautiful shawl, a scarf. You might be even be able to do a children's dress or a children's skirt. Beautiful. I love the color. One more thing, yeah, for me the colors are kind of out of the box because I usually work with neutral tones or with just one color, but not the colors that really pop. So yeah, I'm excited to work with these. Alright, then I also bought my absolute favorite yarn. I have a couple of favorites from Ice Yarns and this is just one of them. This is the Saver, and the Saver comes in skeins of 100 gram and then you have the skeins of 200 grams. Now the package for the Saver 100 comes in a pack of 4. This is the Saver, the regular Saver, and it has 2 skeins of 200 grams per skein. This is a 100% Dralon acrylic. Dralon, I don't know how you pronounce that, but it is the softest acrylic yarn you've ever felt. it is fantastic to work with. It's a medium worsted weight 4, 5mm knitting needles. When I crochet a bag, I use 5mm for this, or 5.5. For clothing, usually it is 5.5 to 7, even sometimes 8mm crochet hook. Beautiful, beautiful yarn. Like I said, 200 grams, 330 meters per skein, and you got 2 in a pack. This one, I love this color. I bought it before, and this is the color Jeans. Jeans blue or jeans, let me see, jeans blue. Beautiful. Now, because I love this yarn so much, I also bought this color. It is the light cream. These two match really, really good together. See? So, I got these as well. Then, I had another look in their store, and they have a few new yarns. One of the new yarns I saw last year. It was gone for a while and it came back. At least I think it's like that. And it's the Gumbo. Now, this is the Gumbo, and usually I'm more for the Ombre colors, and this is more like a variegated, but with the short version of that. And for me, that's kind of out of the box. Now, when I saw these colors, I instantly fell in love with them. This is the Gumbo Pastel Rainbow. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with it, but I want to come up with a really beautiful, lovely pattern. Not a too difficult pattern, because I want to do it the yarn justice. So yeah, I'm not sure though. I have an idea, but I'm not quite sure. It comes in a pack of 4. Sorry, I gotta feel it. Yeah. It's lightweight number 3, 100 grams, 230 meters per bowl, 100% premium acrylic pastel rainbow. 3.5 to 4 millimeters knitting needles, 4 to 5 millimeters. I would suggest 4 crochet needles. It just depends on the project that you're working on. Beautiful. I have an idea, not quite sure though. Beautiful. Yeah. Love it, love it, love it. All right. So I got that. Then I found another new yarn. I haven't seen this yarn before in their shop. I'm not quite sure if this is the first time they have this yarn, but yeah, I fell in love with the beautiful tones of this yarn. Now, it might look a little boring if you see the cream and the gray shades, but the ombre effect that it has is so beautiful that I'm absolutely sure that whatever you will be making with this, it will look fantastic. It comes in a variety of different colors as well, but I went on the safe side. Now, this is such a beautiful, beautiful yarn. It is called Fantasia. There you go. 5 to 6 millimeter knitting needles, which means 6, 7, maybe 8 crochet. I don't know. Maybe 6. It's a medium worsted weight 400 grams, 190 meters per skein, 25% wool and 75% premium acrylic. The color is gray shades cream, and it is a super soft yarn. Super, super soft. And look how beautiful the colors are, or the tones in the ball of yarn. I love, love, love it. Fantastic. It comes in a pack of 4 as well. So you have quite a lot of yarn to work with. And then I found one more pack. It was a new yarn as well, and I think I've seen it before last year, but this color was like gone in seconds. At least that's what I can remember. So for now it is a new yarn again, and this is the Baby Lollipop White Turquoise Blue. It comes in a pack of 4 as well. And look how beautiful. It looks like it's a white yarn with turquoise and blue dots. And I'm kind of excited to start working with this. How will this look when I make something for a little boy or a girl that likes blue? I'm not sure though what to make with it. Beautiful, beautiful yarn. Baby Lollipop. 3 to 3.5 millimeter knitting needles. It's fine number 2, 100 grams, 360 meters, and it's 100% acrylic yarn. Beautiful. I'm super, super excited that I got this. They have this in a couple of different colors. They had the pink version as well, but I have quite a lot of pink in my stash, so I thought, nah. Oh, I have a lot of blue as well, but I thought, nah, I want blue. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. So this is what I got just right before the weekend. Super excited. And you know what? I ordered it yesterday early in the afternoon. And it was shipped out within a couple of hours later. And within 24 hours, it just came to my doorstep, which is so, so super brilliant. It's fantastic. Ice Yarn ships all over the world. That is, if you can receive packages from Turkey. Now, you have 3 different options of shipping. There's one that I never use. It takes about 30 days to get to your house. I don't know how they come and bring it to you, but it's not. I think it's the most expensive, and it takes way too long. So I never go for that one. Then they have the express shipping. Then they ship it to you within 1 to, I think, 4 business days to Europe and America and Canada. And then you have the expedite shipping, and then it takes 8 to 10 days to get to my house, and I live in the Netherlands. So yeah, when I buy yarn, I wanted to have it now, you know, not like in a week and a half. I want to have it now. So I can handle it if I have to wait, you know, 1, 2, or 3 days. But not like a week and a half. So therefore I always choose the express option. When you choose the express option, then try to put things into your shopping basket and see what happens with the shipping, shipping cost. Now, I found out whenever you try to fit 2.4 kilos, which is 2400 grams of yarn, into your shopping basket, your shipping is okay. When you add more than 2400 grams of yarn into your shopping basket, the price goes up really quick. Do whatever you prefer to do. It's just what I do. I only buy about 2400 grams. Today I have 2300 grams because every pack was 400 grams except for these beauties. They were 300 grams per pack. So I try to fit in as much as possible and try to come out there with a really good shipping price. Then they have the daily deal section. Beautiful yarns. All their yarns are beautiful, but beautiful yarns that are on sale for 24 hours. If you do not order within the 24 hours, then you will pay the regular price again. So it tells you in the section of the daily deals, it tells you for how long that deal is valid. I can tell you so many more things about ice yarns. They have over 5,000 different kinds of yarn. I have a lot of favorites. If you follow me on the way for a while now, you know my favorites, right? Savor, amigurumi cotton. The cakes Ombre, cakes Cotton Fine. They have some beautiful natural cottons. Oh, I love it all. I love it all. I never ever had a yarn that I didn't like. Okay, now enough about that. If you are thinking about yarn to buy yarn from Ice Yarns, then please go down to the description box of this video where you find a link that will bring you straight to their website. So it brings you straight to the website of Ice Yarns. That means that you buy off the supplier self. And if you use my link, you help me out as well. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but you help me out. So please, whenever you want to buy yarns at Ice Yarns, use my link to do so. I'm a happy girl. Just before the weekend, I got my pack of Ice Yarns. So I got enough yarn to play with during the weekend. Hopefully I can make some beautiful patterns, and hopefully I'm able to upload some more soon. I just uploaded a video using the amigurumi cotton. I'm gonna link that right at the very end of this video as well. So I made a beautiful bag. I'm so in love with that bag. Anyway, I gotta let you go. Yeah, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the rest of your week. You know, whatever you do, just enjoy as much as possible. Bye for now.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.